Greetings, my YouTube family. Once again, Sarge, USMC, Mixed Match Stereo is the channel. All my new subscribers, I want to thank you very much from the bottom of my heart for subscribing. That tells me that someone out there like my content. Not everybody, but hey, it's what it is. Alright, as you all know, I recently purchased a Audio Research BT80SE power amp, and it comes with it requires a 20 amp plug. This is the one that came with it. I'm sure this is not the original cord that came with that amp. So I read about the cord that came with the amp, and I read it's a pretty nice cord, power cord. This is the one that came with it. You see, it's a 20 amp plug. All right, and I had one other 20 amp power cord. This is the Sonyata. It's a Power Pan Helix Alpha 20 amp power cord. Nice, beefy, and thick. All right, so I had a total of 4 Sonyata power cords in my system. This is the only one that I had, the 20 amp. But I had this from my on my Sonyata V-Ray V2 power conditioner. So I had to take this off of the V-Ray and put this on the ARC because I didn't want this on the ARC. I think it looked pretty flimsy and pretty cheap. So I put this on from the Sonyata power conditioner to the wall. So I wanted to upgrade and get a better 20 amp power cord. So I went to, I got 4 of these in my system. This is the only 20 amp. I thought about buying another Sonyata power cord, but they're a little expensive. I'm in that stage right now where I'm trying to experiment with lower cost cables. So instead of going to my original audio store, Overtures, sorry guys, I went to Amazon and I seen this on Amazon. It looked well built from the photos on Amazon. I went to YouTube, they had them on YouTube. I read about them. They had a good write-up on them. It's called Viborg. So the company is Viborg. They got connections, meet cables. They got the US version 20 amp lamp. I got 1 meter because the power amp is right in front of the conditioner that I'm gonna plug it into, and that's a PS Audio 3.5 director. So it's right in front of that. So I could have got a 1/2 meter, but they don't offer 1/2 meter, so I got a meter. Package 1 piece, originally made in China. I know a lot of folks talk bad about stuff made in China, but China makes some very good stuff. So to each his own. All right, so let's get this open. See what we got here. It looks very nice from the photograph that I saw. Oh yeah, and the cost of this costs $198. $1,000. $198. And I wouldn't pay $5 for this thing. Alright, so let's see. What do my $198 get me? Can't be that hard to get inside the box. It's not a power amp. It's a power cord. Alright. Look at that. I can put this on the wall and use it for vibration control. what did I get for $198? Like I said, it looked pretty darn nicely built in the photographs and in person. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's a connection. Female win. Female win. If I had to guess what this is, I probably say it's some type of filter. To filter the noise out of the cable. Most time when you see this on a cable, some kind of filter. So also that's probably an AC noise filter. If I'm not mistaken, I'm just guessing at that. But I'm sure that's what it is. So this is my 1 meter Viborg 20 amp. The power cord from Amazon. Viborg company from China. It's a 20 amp cord. $198. Looks pretty well made. Very thick power cord, not as thick as the Shinata by a long shot. About $1,000, $198. This came with the amp. You couldn't give me this thing free. So I'll put this back on the conditioner, the Shinata V-Ray V2 conditioner, to the wall. It's currently I have a little hum in my system since I took this from the V-Ray and the wall. So this is going back in place, V-Ray and the wall, V-Ray and the wall. And this is going to go on the ARC VT80 SE power amp. Let's see what this thing does. I shall report back. Once again, Sarge, USMC. Name of the channel, Next Match Stereo. Till next time, guys. Be safe out there. We live in a mean world. Be safe. Watch yourself. Watch your back. Watch each other. All right, Sarge signing off. Next Match Stereo, USMC. Semper Fi.